I'm going to melt the butter. The butter. Okay, put the onion, the garlic a lot of garlic kay mas lami ang garlic, no? So we're going to cook the garlic. And then we're going to follow the white onion. So napay half sa later na siya. Okay. Okay, I add the onions, white onion. Put another black garlic powder, more garlic powder because it's good. I put the black pepper, yeah. Okay. Then we're going to put magic syrup. Okay. I'm going to put paprika. Okay. Paprika. Later na ang oyster sauce. Then I'm going to mix it again. That makes more beautiful madi. And then we're going to put the shrimps. Okay. Wait lang. Saan nga tuod madi? Okay, we're going to put now the shrimps. Okay, more. All shrimps. Diba? Ano kay daghan kay So kulang ra ang iyang going to put the rest of the butter down. Okay, then going to mekos this madi. And of course, don't forget the Mamacita's oyster sauce. Yeah, like that. Be generous, okay? Mamacita's. Okay, I would like to add saan siya? Kaning para medyo halang madi. Butang ko og talapa, di ba? Talapa. Para halang-halang gamay. Para lami dili siya bidli, di ba? May palapa. And then, of course, we're going to cover it. Of course, after mixing, then we're going to cover it, simmer it for about mga 10 minutes like that. And I think it's done. Ooh. Wala siya tubig, ha? Yan ang kuan, tapos butter. Huwag gitang tubig,